Hello and welcome back to a brand new video where we will be reviewing the RG1-DX Ruroc helmet. Today we will be going over some of the cool features that this helmet includes, and we're also going to give you guys some of our personal opinions on how the helmet performs in an e-skate setting. The most noticeable feature about this helmet is the chin guard that's included. This detachable chin guard can be removed with ease. It uses two clamps on either side and you can pull it straight out. The next feature is the Gopro Mount hidden under the visor of the helmet. By removing the visor, you can have access to this built-in Gopro Mount to hook up a GoPro or some shred lights to make your ride even better or film. The helmet also includes incredibly easy to swap swappable lenses. You can swap these out with one of the many choices of lenses on Ruroc's website. Simply lift up the small plastic edge covering up the lens on both sides, and then use your fingers on the front to pop the lens out. From there, you can choose from one of the many lenses that Ruroc offers to customize your helmet even further and get an even cooler look with the many color options. Putting the lens in is just as easy, as they are magnetic edges and it should snap right into place. Then you just have to cover the tab back up. The chin strap of the helmet is in the form of a magnetic clasp, which is super easy and satisfying to use. To put the chin guard on, simply slide the two clamps back into place and then wait for the popping sound on each side. You'll know that the front mask is then secure. Because of the chin guard, this helmet has an anti-fog system that prevents the goggles from fogging up ever, which is crucial when riding. The helmet also has some accessories that you can purchase from Ruroc, including their Shockwave audio system, which you can install by removing your old ear pads and then buying the Shockwave system. This will provide you with speakerphones built into your helmet. These headphones connect via Bluetooth and they will provide you with a way to listen to music or take calls while riding. An important thing to note is that to put on the helmet, you must first put on the main part and then slide on the chin guard. You can then fasten this chin strap and you're ready to go. One of the largest concerns that we had when we first purchased the helmet was that it would get too hot during the summer when riding because of the face mask. This, however, is not true, and the mask actually stays very cool while riding. It is slightly warmer than a standard skateboard helmet, but it still doesn't feel like it's overly hot. Another important thing to consider is the impact that the helmet has on your vision. Because you're only able to see through the goggles, there are sort of blind spots when you're skating, so you have to turn your head much more in order to get a good view of the street. In terms of safety, this helmet is considered to be one of the safest helmets as it has many cycle, skate, and snow certifications. Easily, the biggest downfall of this helmet is the price point at which it comes, which can range up to $400 for select models. It's definitely not cheap, but in my opinion, it's well worth it. In conclusion, the RG1-DX Ruroc helmet is an amazing helmet. So much so that we even bought a second one so that we could both have one. If you're looking for an excellent e-skate helmet, this is definitely a good option for you. Finally, thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like it, and leave a comment below on what you think about this Ruroc helmet. We'll see you guys in the next video.